Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 20 years of experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. Today we're focusing on the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam, focusing on the knowledge of personal health behaviors and wellness, covering how to promote healthy choices and overall well-being for students. Let's get started. Which of the following types of wellness involves having self-esteem and being able to understand the feelings of others? A. Intellectual wellness. B. Spiritual wellness. C. Emotional wellness. Or D. Interpersonal wellness. A. Intellectual wellness deals with thinking, problem solving, and learning, not emotions. B. Spiritual wellness relates to values, purpose, and beliefs, not necessarily emotional awareness. D, interpersonal wellness focuses on relationships and communication, but not necessarily self-esteem or understanding emotions. The correct answer is C. Emotional wellness implies being aware of personal feelings and coping with them. An emotionally well person can handle stress properly and understand the feelings of others. When the hands are dirty, which of the following diseases can a person get from rubbing their nose? A, an eye infection. B, a skin rash. C, a stomach flu. D, a respiratory infection. A, an eye infection is incorrect. More likely from rubbing the eyes, not the nose. B, a skin rash is incorrect. This is usually caused by allergens or irritants on the skin, not from touching the nose. C, a stomach flu is incorrect. Typically results from ingesting germs through the mouth, not the nose. The correct answer is D, a respiratory infection. When a person's hands are dirty, they may contain viruses and bacteria. Rubbing the nose with dirty hands can cause viruses to go to the nose and cause respiratory infections like colds or flu. How should personal health and wellness goals be prioritized? A, according to what others think is important. B, according to what is most popular or trendy. C, according to personal values and health needs. Or D, according to what is easiest to achieve. A, others' opinions may not match your actual health needs. B, trends change and might not be safe or useful for your personal health. D, easy goals may not challenge you or improve your health in the ways you need most. The correct answer is C. According to personal values and health needs, prioritizing goals based on personal values and health needs ensures that the goals are relevant and meaningful to the individual, which increases the likelihood of commitment and success. An example of a chronic disease is A, breaking the hip bone due to a bad fall. B, having burns due to a house fire. C, developing liver cirrhosis due to too much alcohol consumption. Or D, having an asthma attack due to exposure to pollen. A, breaking a hip bone due to a fall is incorrect. This is an injury which happens suddenly, not a chronic disease. B, having burns from a fire is incorrect. Burns are an acute injury, not a long-lasting disease. D, having an asthma attack due to pollen is incorrect. An asthma attack is an acute episode. Though asthma itself is chronic, the question focuses on the attack, which is sudden. The correct answer is C, developing liver cirrhosis due to too much alcohol consumption. Chronic disease is something that developed over a long period of time. It is usually caused by bad lifestyle choices. Liver cirrhosis is a chronic disease caused by drinking too much alcohol. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions for the FTCE Health K-12 019 exam, focusing on the knowledge of personal health behaviors and wellness. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our FTCE Health K-12 019 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Health K-12 test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day, Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and happy studying.